Hello friends, today's topic Economic Times report 19 stocks more likely to appreciate by next year. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is service to society. As per the Hindu calendar, Diwali is the start of a new year. Vikram Samvat or Samvat indicates the start of a new year as per lunar calendar. Samvat means year. On 12th November, Samvat 2080 starts. Nifty went up by around 9% last year, Diwali to date. Mid cap 100 index went up by 30%, small cap 100 index went up by 35% in the same period. As per analysts, the valuation of the mid cap and small caps in general are high. They expect the focus of the investors is likely to be more on large cap stocks since these stocks have underperformed. Economic Times newspaper has compiled a list of 19 stock recommendations by various brokerage companies that are expected to do well from Samvat's 2080. Economic Times compilation of stock recommendations, market cap above 1 lakh crore. SBI brokerage firm ICICI Securities, current price 580, target price 725, potential upside 25%. Bharti Airtel brokerage firm Axis Securities, current price 937, target price 1155 and upside potential 23%. HDFC Bank brokerage firm Axis Securities, current price 1487, target price 1800 and upside potential 21%. L&T brokerage firm ICICI Securities, current price 3006, target price 3560 and upside potential 18%. M&M brokerage firm Anand Rathi, current price 1520, target price 1770, upside potential 16%. Coming to Bharat Electronics, Aditya Birla brokerage firm, current price 138, target price 165, upside potential 20%. Bajaj Finance IIFL Securities, current price 7435, target price 8800, upside potential 18%. Maruti Suzuki SBI Securities, current price 10,400, target price 12,000, upside potential 15%. Reliance Industries brokerage firm JM Financial, current price 2324, target price 2,700, upside potential 16%. ICICI Bank brokerage firm SBI Securities, current price 940, target price 1081, upside potential 15%. Now going to the market cap 50,000 to 1 lakh category. IDFC First Bank brokerage firm Anand Rathi, current price 83, target price 114, upside potential 37%. TVS Motors brokerage firm Axis Securities, current price 1646, target price 2100, upside potential 27%. Cipla Ashika Stocks, current price 1237, target price 1420, upside potential 15%. JSW Energy brokerage firm IIFL, current price 389, target price 450, upside potential 16%. Polycab SBI Securities, current price 5133, target price 5877, upside potential 15%. Now here is an announcement regarding our webinar. Topic: Learn stock markets from scratch. Happening on Saturday 11 November 7 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. Cost of the masterclass for the first 75 participants is only rupees 199. After that it becomes 499. And as you all know, Dr. Bharath Chandra's webinar, number of people normally applying is anywhere between 250 to 500 and the space constraint is there. First 150 people will be taken and hence there is an urgency in registration at the earliest possible time. Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates did not apply. You may be curious what is the topic that is being dealt in this particular webinar. First topic is how profitable stock markets are in the long term and short term, because large number of people are unaware of the profits in stock markets. On the other hand, they think stock market is loss. Long term, plenty of profit. Short term, if you use technical analysis, lot of profits. And the next topic is stock market myths. The stock market, large number of people have misconceptions that only short term you can make profit, because if you buy in the morning, sell in the evening, you start making profit. Whereas they also think that buying IPO is the cheapest method of obtaining shares. All these misconceptions we will be clearing. Next is basic fundamental analysis, by using which you can invest for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years depending on your age and the capacity to invest, and you will reap high benefits in lakhs and crores, and you can offset your children's education, marriage, and amass a huge amount of wealth for retirement. And by learning technical analysis, you can easily earn few thousands in a month to offset your regular expenditure, and also to improve your lifestyle, buying a new mobile or going on a pilgrimage or buying dresses for all the members of the family in that particular month, etc., etc. Now, how to register? Click on the link in the description box and read the full details and register using the register button. Only the first 150 we are taking in the webinar, so there is an urgency, and you will get the webinar link within 1 day after payment. Now, coming back to the topic of the day, Economic Times compilation of stock recommendations, market cap below 50,000 crore, Raymond Motilal Oswal brokerage firm, current price 1862, target price 2600, upside potential 40%. APL Apollo Tubes, Aditya Birla Capital, current price 1632, target price 2000, upside potential 23%. Ashok Leyland, JM Financial, current price 173, target price 200, upside potential 16%. Equitas Small Finance, brokerage firm, HDFC Securities, current price 96, target price 112, 17% upside potential. Majority of these stocks have done well in the last 1 year, and analysts are expecting further appreciation. Also, some companies on the list have significantly underperformed, and hence when they rally, they could give good returns in the short term, 6 months to 1 year. Now at the end of the video, here is a question for your general knowledge. Which of these listed companies is not based out of Bangalore? The four choices are Shobha Developers, Prestige Estates, Godrej Properties, Century Real Estate. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra and Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.